Imagine we have a bird in a cage, and we weigh both. If the bird takes off, would it weigh more or less? To answer this question, we will use a drone instead of a bird to respect the animal's rights. This is the weight of the cage and the drone combined. As you can see, the weight is almost the same, but how is this possible? This is an application of the third Newton's law. A car with a propeller moves thanks to the force given by the air, reaction force, which is caused because the propeller pushes the air, the action force. The same happens when the drone flies, but what happens if we add a screen on the car? The car stays still. The action and reaction force happen on the same body, the car. This means that the resultant force is null. This law also appears in vehicles like reaction planes, on the movement of some animals like jellyfish and the spermatozoon that made this video possible.